Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to be doing our U96 build. So we are going to do issue 39 of build the U96, and what a model this is turning out to be. The level of detail is amazing, and some of the comments I've been getting saying they're thinking this is one of the most detailed models there is out there currently. I can certainly vouch for that because, yeah, not easy with all the detail, but it does look absolutely amazing. And it is easily done as well. I think I've only had one stumbling block, and that was early on with the photo etch, where I just got it wrong, but it was all sorted in the end. But, yeah, I'm really looking forward to this one today. So, let's get started. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so issue 39 is navigation table. Fantastic. So, first thing we need is these two pieces here, and we're literally just going to be putting these together. So I'm going to see how they feel. Actually, just there to glue them, but I just don't think there's need to. That's quite a good push-fit connection. Okay, so if I bring over our room that we're working on, we need to put this into place. This is just going to simply go into there, just like that. We do need to glue those in though, because as you can see, it's quite easy to take them out again. So, bit in there, bit in there, bit in there, and then bit in there. And put this into place. Okay, so that's in place. Next, what we need to do, just put that to one side for a second. We need these two pieces here, and these are literally just going to be going together. I think these are definitely going to have to be glued. Yes, they are. So we will glue these in place. So just get a bit of glue, probably a bit in there. And glue together, just like so. Okay, now with that done, we need this small piece next. Now this is going to go on to the little notch that's just there, so it's going to fit on like so. But we do need to glue this in. So I'm just putting some super glue on the peg. Okay, just hold that there for a few seconds, just while the glue takes. Okay, so that's what that should look like. Now if we bring back this that we were working on, this is going to simply fit into the two notches that are down there. Okay, so it's going to fit in just like that, and that's what it should look like. Now I'm just going to hold that there while the glue takes. Okay, so that's that in place. Now we have a tiny little bit next. We've got another one of the hand wheels, which is this red piece here. Now that is going to be going to a hole just right down in there. This might be easier said than done. So a tiny bit of glue. I'm going to get some tweezers. I think it might be easier to fit this first, and then fitted the other part on top, because it slightly overhangs, but it's gone in. That's brilliant. Okay, now switching this around just like this, we've got another hand wheel to go in. That's just going to go on to top of this bit here. Again, we need to glue this in. Okay, that's in place. Now that's really it for the fiddly stuff, to be perfectly honest with you. So if I move that to one side, that's going to give that time to dry as well. We need this piece here, and we need these pieces here. So these got like little dots on them, like dominoes. So this one's going to go into there like that first of all. We do need to glue it. So when you're gluing it, make sure you've got it in the correct orientation. So the 3 in there like that. Then the 2. That's just going to go next to it. And then this one is going to go just into there. And that's what that should look like. Okay, so if we bring back across our room here, we're going to be fitting this into place. So this is going to go into place just onto there, like so. I'm just test fitting it here. Yeah, that went in very nice and snug. I don't think I'm going to get that back out again. What I can do though is I can put some glue on the bottom here, just to make sure that it's gone in. And you know what? In fact, I don't even think that really needs gluing. No. So I'm not going to glue that because that's gone in beautifully. I am just going to get some more glue out there. I'm running low. Okay. Right, so moving that aside again. We need this piece next. This strange dial on it. And this is going to be going on to this. Basically, it's going to go on like that. Okay, that is definitely going to need to be glued. Because it is quite loose. Just making sure you line up the pegs just like so. And then this is basically going to sit next to what we've just worked on. So we've got 3 holes there. That's going to line up with that. Again, that is a tight fit. I'm not too keen on the back of that. That keeps coming loose. So let me just put a bit more glue on. Maybe I didn't use enough. Okay, that's a nice tight fit, so I'm going to be happy. What I might do after is just glue this from underneath, just to give it some extra rigidity. Okay, so with all that in place, the last thing we need to do is we've got this sort of table here. Now this is going to fit onto here like that, and we've got 3 pegs on here that are going to go into the holes just on there. And that's it. That's all we have to do in this stage or issue. So that is what that looks like. That is amazing. Detail again, amazing. So this is really finished off. As you can see, we've still got quite a few more bits of detail we need to put into this, but yeah, that looks amazing. So guys, that is issue 39 complete. Well guys, that's it for the U96. Thank you for watching. It's coming along lovely as this model. It really is a fantastic mod to do. I recommend it to anybody really. It does get challenging in some parts, but I mean guys, if I can do it, then you can do it as well. So but it is really a nice model, and the detail is just amazing. I know we've got some more challenging issues to come, but I'm up for it. I really am up for it. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.